Just watch me wrist, because what I'm trying to do when I'm whipping my wrist, I'm doing that at the same time doing that and then doing that. So I'm doing all that in one motion. To do that, you've got to whip your hand down in a fast, obviously, because you want to keep the loop open, not shut, like that. So as long as you keep the loop open as long as you can, and then you just pull it all in one go. There you go. It's sticky on this.
You had it quite long, didn't you?
Well, some people prefer it long. I prefer it sort of about that height. And then you've got enough to do the loop there. Yeah? All you've got to do is get it to hit the wood there, and then if you just do it, pull it over.
Right, okay.
What are you doing here? Alright, that's a market for you.
Oh, yeah.